Hi guys, it's Tracy, and today I'm back with another Boxycharm unboxing. So this is the premium box. Mr. is here, ready for class, and yeah, he's here. Trying to see what's in the box. So this, like I said, is the $35 box, and you get usually, it's an over $200 value. And they stipulated on the website, except when it's a one brand box, which this month is a one branded box. It's a full box of Fenty products. So I wasn't really that excited about it. I was kind of like, if I could have just skipped this month, like I would have been good skipping, because I just wasn't that excited. But I got it, and we are gonna see what's in it. I already know what's in it because I've watched all kinds of spoilers and I cracked it open already. So, you know, there's that. But yes, I'm back. I took my break, so now I'm back. First of the month, got a bunch of well, not a bunch, couple boxes coming in, some reviews of the past boxes. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure that you hit the likes button, thumbs up button. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks so much for watching. So, okay, let's see. So that's the card. It just says Fenty Beauty X Rihanna, and then the inside of the box says the same. Always comes really nicely packaged. I don't think I've ever had anything broken from them. So they do a good job on packaging. Let's see, the first item here is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter, and it says this is $38. This is like the super gold one. I don't know. I had seen some people that with lighter skin, it's $36. That's what it looks like. We'll give it a swatch. I've seen it and it's really pretty. Ooh. I might be able to make it work on my face. We'll have to wait and see. I'll see if, or I can use it maybe as an inner corner highlight. That would be nice too. So $36 for that. And then next up here, we have the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte blotting paper. 16 bucks. So these are not cheap for a blotting sheet. It says they're ultra portable blotting paper that lets you touch up in stealth mode with a super chic refillable mirrored compact that looks like a lipstick case. Lift away shine while leaving makeup perfectly untouched. I'm sure my daughter will like this, so it's not a waste. And I guess we'll open it up and see. That's kind of nice that you can refill it. I don't know how much the refills cost. Super nice and compact, so you could stick it in your purse or your bag. It'd be really easy to keep out of the way. Does that have a mirror on there? Oh, it even has a little mirror across there. I don't know if you can see that. That's a mirror. Kind of a nice little item, even though I can't use it. Let's see here. We have, what is this? Oh, this is one of the Fenty Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick. Magnetized makeup stick in a long wear light as air formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. The long wear cream to powder highlighter stick is weightless, blendable, and lives to be layered. Included shades may vary. $25. And I got the shade Blonde. It looks almost like the highlighter. Wow, it's almost identical to the highlighter. Like, really, people? You couldn't send me something a little like different shade? They match. So I don't know, I'll have to figure out what I can do with these, because I don't think that did you want to wear it? Here, we'll put some on your whiskers right there. And, oh, on your nose? Let's see. Oh, there we go. Mister's gonna take over my matchstick. Next up, we have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in Diamond Milk. Really pretty. And these are $19. Let's see what it looks like. have the original one, just the universal gloss bomb. That's pretty. It's just, I mean, you know, lip gloss, which I'm glad to get it in a box for, you know, 25 bucks, and this is $19. So I got more excited as time, like I saw more stuff and I was like, oh, okay, maybe it's not like, yeah, maybe it's okay. Okay, maybe it's good. So I got a little bit more excited. And then we have the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick, and it says all moods, all skin tones, all day. A pocket perfect lipstick with a long wearing petal soft matte finish, available in a rainbow of weightless, color intense shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones. Included shades may vary. And this is $18, and I got the shade, let me get my magnifier here so I can see. This is the shade called Single, and I do have it on my lips. Because when I was getting ready, I'm like, let me see what's in the box that I can hurry up and stick on. So it's a nude kind of shade, which I was shocked because, you know, I thought for sure I'd be getting the blue shade that they showed, and I was thinking if I get the blue, I don't know what I'll do. Packaging's really nice, super slim, and that's the shade. Let's put it here. It's actually a pretty nice color. It's almost like a peachy nude. It's a nice color. I have it on, I've had it on for probably about an hour. I haven't had anything to eat or drink yet, but it lasts, I mean, it's been on my lips for an hour. This is like going great for me because usually, because of the medication I take, it like my lips and my mouth are so dry that nothing stays, even stuff that says like 24 hours, nothing will stay on my lips. So this is doing pretty good. And then the last item here we have is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. $29. This was originally $59 when it came out, but it's on clearance at Sephora for $29. So I think that's why they figured they better put $29 on the card, because people had already been like, oh, that's on sale. So this didn't get the greatest reviews, to be honest. That's why I was kind of like, I don't know about this box, you guys. Hello. So there's the shades. They're really pretty. haven't really heard anybody talk about this too much. We'll swatch a couple shimmers, a couple of the mattes. Barely see that. That first one didn't show up very good. So these are mattes. Let me go back and the first shade is almost like a white. I think these are more meant to be like toppers. So it's nice. The packaging's really pretty. So there we go. And I believe that the price total on this box, let's see, 36, because everybody got the same items, just different variations. They didn't have like where everybody got different stuff, just different shades. And then what is that, 16? That $143. I thought that was what I had heard. So $143 box for $25. I still think it's a good deal. Even, you know, one thing I can't use, but for once they sent me a decent lip shade, which I'm really happy with. Now, as far as the highlighters go, everybody got the one in Trophy Wife. I don't know if I said the name. Yeah, this one's called Trophy Wife. Everybody got this shade. There were not variations to this. Everyone, I believe, gets this shade, but the matchsticks came in a bunch of different shades. So I kind of wish I would have got, like, there was even like a purpley kind of colored one, but had a, you know, this one being so close to that, that's kind of like, eh. But, you know, I'll see what I can do with it. And I always come back the next month to do a follow-up and let you know how the products worked, if I liked them, didn't like them, and all of that. So I will let you know. The blotting sheets I'll give to my daughter, and I'll try to get a review out of her to let you know next month. And then the gloss bomb, I always love lip gloss and it's pretty. And then the palette. So I think it's a pretty good deal. And I'm usually pretty happy. So that is this month's Boxycharm Premium. I haven't got my base box yet. It should be on its way. I got them like 1 month, I got them both on the same day, and then haven't got them the same since. So that one, I think I got a shipping notification. So I don't know when it's gonna be here because it told me that this one was gonna be here Saturday and today's Monday and it just got here. It's like, I don't know, 10 o'clock or something. But anyhow, that is going to do it for this month's Boxycharm Premium. I hope that you guys liked the video. If you got your box, did you get good colors? Did you get the blue lipstick? I don't know who, I mean, some people look good in like those weird colors. I've seen people wear green and blue and I'm like, ooh, I wish I could, you know, wear that. But I'm too old. I'm 50 now. Like, got to tone it down a little bit. But yeah, let me know what color you got in the matchstick. And if you got a good lipstick shade, I hope that you got, you know, one that matches you. But that's going to do it. I hope that you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.